Hello, my name is Dario Schulz, and in this video I'm going to present a meta-analysis in which we show that innovation context and technology traits explain heterogeneity across studies of agricultural innovation adoption. The main focus of this study was to aggregate past research findings and find patterns that are relevant for future innovation. The first research question was to find out the global magnitude of different farm-level innovation adoption determinants. Secondly, we looked at the question whether geographic factor abundance and innovation-specific factor use intensities can explain the variation in adoption determinants. As an empirical base, we conducted a systematic literature review in which we identified more than 500 studies, out of which we extracted more than 4,000 effect sizes that cover more than 60 countries. Looking at the geographic distribution of studies and effect sizes, we can see a clear bias towards the United States of America and some countries in sub-Saharan Africa, whereas some countries in Latin America are clearly underrepresented in our sample. To aggregate the effects, we use an intercept-only random effects hierarchical model. For the moderation analysis, we used country-level context indicators along with innovation-level trait indicators to test a set of propositions that we derived theoretical from the induced innovation hypotheses. The main results show that assistance and access to credit were the most important adoption determinants by far. In addition, farm size, labor, and education are also very relevant drivers of technology adoption. However, we did not find that age and gender significantly improved the adoption of technology adoption across contexts. Looking at the moderation analysis, we found that farm size and credit were less important for the adoption of innovations that require these factors more intensively when the factors are generally abundant in the study context. This supports our proposition derived from the induced innovation hypothesis. Finally, to summarize our study, we created a unique database of adoption determinants that can be used in future studies. Second, we highlight that assistance and credit are very important innovation adoption drivers and that digital tools can open new possibilities to foster these adoption channels. Finally, we found that contextual factor scarcities may induce innovation adoption. The characterization of innovations via traits that are generalizable was quite useful, but more traits are needed to understand especially the adoption of future technologies. We conclude that environmental policy could create artificial scarcities to stimulate the adoption of beneficial innovations. Thank you for your attention.